G'day, it's Sarah, or Rachel's sister, as you better know. I've been forced to do this voiceover today, apparently, so this should be fun. Yeah, I guess we're making some popsicle. I really don't want to do this, please help. I can't click on it. This is the anxiety, you know, right before you make a phone call. What do I even say at the start? This is Rachel's sister, this is Rachel's sister. Do I call myself Sarah or Sayers? So many questions. Okay, so what you're gonna do is start out with your rainbow balls of clay. Yep, and just roll it like so into a cute little sausage roll. Yep, and pat him down. Yep, that works. Slice some off on each side. That looks about right. Yep, then grab your next colour and keep going. Pat him down, cut him off, slice him up. And keep slicing until you get it correct. Like so. And then you're gonna do that with the green clay as well, and the blue, just until you make it rainbow. A good old slice and dice, if you will. Not sure why we're doing the pink or like red clay at the end. I feel like that should be at the start, but okay. Oh, and flatten and curve it. Oh, because it's going to be on top, right. So you want to get that detailing. Yes, that sounds good. Yes, and then you're going to line them all up together and pat them in like so. Join it all together. And in about 2 seconds, we're going to have a little rainbow popsicle. Flatten him down, slide it all into shape, and pat it again, apparently. Oh, then you're gonna roll it out with your bowling pin and get him all in position. Oh, flatten him down, yep. Make it a little shorty. There's a lot going on here. Oh, yep, pat it down, get into shape. Like a popsicle, if you can imagine that. And slice some off the edges again. Compact that bad boy down. And roll it out again. Flip him over. Get it into shape once again. Compact. And pat him down. Like the good boy he is. And yeah, that's what you've got. Alright, now you're gonna get your little, what's that, tan? Tan colour? Pale? I don't know. Flatten him down like you did the first time. Then you're gonna go ahead and mark it. Roll him over and do exactly the same on the other side. Then you're going to want to slice and dice him again. With your little, what's that? Some sort of clay tool. You're going to indent. Oh, what's that? Bacon bond. Oh god, I didn't read it. Oh my god. Yeah, you're going to glue him on. Yeah, that's glue, yeah? Okay. And what is going on here? A bit of touching up with the indentation tool. Oh, that's where the face is going to sit. Cut off your little eyes. Don't cut off your eyes, cut off the eyes for the clay. And with the tiniest piece of black clay you can find, make the tiniest mouth. And also give it some little cheeks, because who doesn't like little cheeks? Insert the eye pin and you've got yourself a rainbow popsicle. What is that? Super glue? Oh, okay. Yep. Put it in, put the super glue there, and then brush it down with, God, I hope that's glaze and not super glue. And you've got yourself your rainbow popsicle. Isn't that just dandy? Oh, it's so cute, honestly. I love it. Is the video done? I think the video is done. Okay.